I grabbed these wireless earbuds when I had to replace an old pair I have that wore off after a few years. And so I do have them in here. So you can see kind of the black and gray kind of sleek look. They fit well, kind of your standard earbud shape. So when I was looking for new earbuds, I was looking for a few things. One, I wanted them to connect quickly and easily to any device I was using. Typically that's my phone and my laptop. Two, I wanted them to have a good long battery life. If I have to recharge my earbuds every couple days, they're just not gonna work for me. Three, I wanted them to have good range. A lot of times I use earbuds wandering around my house doing different tasks, and I have my phone plugged in on the other end of the house, and so I wanted to be able to use them that way. And so for me, so far, this has done all three of these things. So they connect really quickly to any Bluetooth device, and they also have that like sound voice confirmation in your ear that they're connected and on and paired. And they go back and forth between my devices easily. Really cool is that they automatically remember and connect to the last device you were using them with. So typically that's my phone. So if I'm using an audiobook or something on my cell phone, using them wandering around my house, put them away, pick them up and do the same thing tomorrow, it connects automatically to my phone. So I'm not connecting and repairing every time I pick these up to talk to or use my device. The battery life is up to 50 hours with these. For me, I'm typically using these for maximum an hour, sometimes 2 hours at a time. So at that 50-hour battery life, I'm getting sometimes weeks of use out of these. Now, if you're using them for like a full workday, 6 to 8 hours or something in your ear, obviously you're not gonna get weeks out of them, but you're still gonna get several days. Also, since you can use them single earbud or double, the battery on them depletes separately based on your usage. And so I really like that the little screen on front of the case shows you the charging status of each of these individually as you put them back in the case. So you can get an idea of what battery life they have left in them. And it tells you right there on the screen so you know when you need to plug them in. For me, since I'm using one a lot, it's really easy that if I deplete my left ear, I can toss it in here, throw it on the charger, so they charge in the case, which is cool. Throw it in the case to charge it, and then pick up my right one and go on with it. So gives me a lot of usage. As for the range, I haven't had an issue with these disconnecting anywhere in my house. Like I said, it's plugged in on the other side of my house, usually in my bedroom, and I can get around my house. It's about 2,000, a little over 2,000 square feet without having any disconnection issues. If I go outside wearing them and I'm kind of wandering, they will disconnect eventually, but the 50-foot range has been sufficient for me for what I'm using them for. Now, fit-wise, when I got them in, they had the medium-size little earbud piece. It comes with small, medium, and large. Typically, I have to use the smaller version of any package of earbud pieces. On this one, I'm able to use the standard size, and then I asked my husband to test out the larger piece because that's what usually he uses, and it fit really well for him. So it wasn't too small or anything for him, and they're not falling out. When I'm wearing these around the house and I'm, bending down to load the dishwasher or get stuff out of the dryer, they're not falling out, so they're fitting snug, and I really like that. Also, kind of fit related, the little metal charging piece at the end of the bud that connects with the case is also waterproof. So if you're wearing these while working outside or working out and you're sweating a bunch, it's not gonna affect the way the earbuds operate because it is waterproof. So that's an added perk. So I have really enjoyed these. For the price point, there's really cool functionalities that I wasn't expecting. So their earbuds themselves actually have a lot of functionality apart from operating things on your phone or your computer, whatever you're pairing it with. So it came with this little quick start guide, but also this button control guide. And so since you can use these while you're on calls, if you double tap, you can answer or end a call. You can also use the earbud itself to decline a call. So if I'm on another call or listening to music or something and I just don't want to take a call, I can decline it directly on the earbud, which is really nice. I don't have to go searching for my cell phone. Also, you can manually power the earbud on and off directly in your ear. So that's nice. If I need to turn it off, set it down, and go do something and not have the case right with me, or throw it in my pocket, that is really nice. And then when I'm listening to music or a book or something or a podcast, you can actually change volume and the track directly from the earbuds. So on the left earbud, if you double tap, it'll go to the previous track. And if you hold it down, it'll decrease the volume. And then conversely on the right side, if you double tap, it'll go to the next track. And if you hold it down, it'll volume up. So that is really helpful if I, like I said, don't have my phone right next to me. That is a lot of added functionality right on the earbud without having to have the device that they're connected to operate it. So that's been a really cool upgrade. So for the price point they're in, just my everyday earbuds, these have checked all the boxes for me. And I haven't had any significant issues with them. The sound quality is good. I wouldn't say they're completely noise canceling. They do drown out a lot of the external noise, but if you're looking for full out, like completely noise canceling, I don't think these are gonna do it for you. My husband has some really expensive headphones he uses for work stuff that cancel it out, and they definitely don't completely cancel out the noise like that, but they get a lot of the noise out for me. So I really have enjoyed these. Like I said, easy and quick connectivity. Long battery life and the extended range have been great, and the added functionality at this price point is just really cool. So I liked them, and they've checked all those boxes.